Look, I know it's only September still, and spooky season is right around the corner, but I'm feeling pretty festive. So today I'm going to be showing you the long anticipated, since last year, Wera 2021 Advent Calendar. So I'm not going to be going through this advent calendar day by day showing you what you get behind every single door because frankly I don't have the patience for it. Instead, let me show you the kit, what you get in it, and you can decide whether you want to buy one of these or a Cadbury's advent calendar, because let me tell you right now, this is a whole lot less chewy and you'll get some pretty weird looks if you try and eat it. Please don't try and eat it. So first up, as is becoming common theme every year with Wera, you get a quality fabric case for all the tools that are included in the kit. It's got a Velcro backing, as well as a Velcro strip included, so you can stick this and remove it quickly from, well, anything. Your wall, your tool chest. It's quite a versatile piece. The kit itself is held together with a hook and loop strap and folds out flat. This really allows you to see absolutely everything that's included in the kit, and it holds it all nice and securely. The kit is laid out into sections with your Kraftform screwdrivers at the bottom, micro screwdrivers in the middle, spanner and magnetiser at the top. It folds up nice and compact, and it's going to protect your screwdrivers as well as everything else in your toolkit from your screwdrivers. If you're enjoying this content and you'd love to see more, consider subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you'd like to keep in the loop with every new piece of content we post, click that bell icon so you get notified whenever we put a new video out. So next up, onto the second most important piece of equipment included, the Wera bottle opener. It's become a staple of the advent calendar, and this year they've taken a bit of a different approach from normal. Last year having the more stubby compact form, the year before being full size. Get a full-size bottle opener. It's a big one. Well, this year it's slimline, and they've taken the portable approach for when you need to drink on the road. Cokes, that is, you're drinking Coke and Pepsi. You're not drinking on the road. Anyway, at the end you have a keyring loop. The handle is nicely moulded into the shape of the traditional Wera handle. It's a very solidly machined hook that isn't going to break or bend over time. It's laser etched with Wera branding and has a nice soft satin finish. It's very comfortable to hold on to because that's important. Also included as an additional accessory is this screwdriver bit set, which comes in a nice plastic snap open case. There are two Ploddy drive bits, size 1 and 2, two Phillips bits, size 1 and 2, and two Torx bits, size TX20 and TX25. Note that these bits aren't impact rated and they can be differentiated by their colour coding. Also included is a magnetised bit extender, which fits securely into the side of the kit. 4 Kraftform screwdrivers are included in this kit: a size 1 Ploddy, a size 1 Phillips, and a size 3.5 slotted. These each have the serrated tips that are now commonplace with the Kraftform screwdrivers. Additionally is a size 2.5 VDE insulated screwdriver, which is rated to 1000 volts. These screwdrivers are also colour coordinated, so you can tell by the colours on the end which screwdriver they are, and the bright red and orange one for the electricals. Next up are the included microsetter screwdrivers, 4 of which are Torx, ranging from size TX4, 5, 6 and 8. This is denoted by the colour coding of green around the end. The micro screwdrivers also have a swivel tip to allow for fine motor control whilst applying constant pressure. 2 more of the micro screwdrivers are slotted in size 2.5 and 3. These are denoted by the yellow banding at the end of the screwdriver. And finally for the micro screwdrivers are the 2 Phillips, as denoted by the red banding in sizes PH0 and PH00. Also included is the widely popular double-ended Joker spanner in 10 and 8mm. colour coordinated just as the rest of the set. The spanner has hardened steel inserts, which are serrated, that will prevent the rounding of any nuts or bolts, and prevent the degradation of your tool. These can be replaced. Finally, this is a new addition to the set, the Magnetiser. This is perfect for remagnetising old worn out bits or screws that just keep falling off the end. This kit is perfect for home use. Wera is renowned for their high quality tools, meaning this kit is going to last you a lifetime. Anything at home, DIY projects that you could throw at it, it's going to be absolutely perfect. If you're familiar with these kits, then you'll know just how quickly they sell out each year. So remember, get one soon, and don't leave yourself disappointed. I'd love to know what you think of this kit. How does it stack up against last year? Are you going to get one for yourself? Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you are going to get one, pick it up from tooledup.com. That's us. Max, thanks for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.